Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa at home with fresh tomatoes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want to select about 2 pounds of ripe, firm tomatoes, along with 1 medium onion, a bunch of fresh cilantro, and 1 or 2 jalapenos. Don't forget fresh lime juice, salt, and pepper to taste. Having a food processor or a sharp knife will make preparation much easier. Now, let's get everything ready. Begin by thoroughly washing all your produce. Carefully dice your tomatoes, onion, and jalapenos into small, consistent pieces. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapenos if you prefer a milder salsa. Finally, finely mince your fresh cilantro. Uniform cuts ensure a great texture and even flavor throughout your salsa, making every bite delicious. With all your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring them together. Transfer your diced tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, and minced cilantro into a large mixing bowl. Squeeze in the juice from 1 or 2 fresh limes, depending on your preference for tanginess. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Gently stir everything until it's thoroughly combined and beautifully vibrant. The final step is crucial for maximizing flavor. Cover your salsa and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the wonderful ingredients to meld together, creating a more complex and delicious taste. Once chilled, give it a quick stir and serve your fresh, homemade salsa with tortilla chips, tacos, or any dish needing a burst of fresh flavor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.